right, this is something I'm really excited about. This is a new product from FourWerx. If you've been following our shop walks, you've seen me talk about it a few times, but we got some really cool pieces in today, some forged gold carbon fiber for the Pro R guys, so let's take a look at it. All right, we'll take out piece by piece. Let's start with an exhaust surround for the Pro R. And this is real carbon fiber. It's not wrapped, it's not dipped. And then in here, it looks like we have the shifter surround for Pro Rs, Turbo Rs, and Pro XPs. And then here is a hood. You can see also, like I said, I'm hoping you guys can catch the flakes in the light, but it's super flaky gold on there. Forged carbon fiber, just a great look for the guys that are gonna do black and gold or gold with anything. It's gonna be a great combo. As of right now, I don't know how many of these sets are gonna be made. I know he's making 2 sets for us and those are both pre-sold, but if you guys are interested in this and your Pro R, comment below, let us know, send us a DM and we'll get a hold of Jay at FourWerx and we'll get some more made.